Greetings from Balos Natural Pool. Yes, that's right. It is 4 p.m. and I think this is going to be my last swim here in Balos, as I was here already since 11 o'clock. And now we have also clouds, which would be perfect way to me to start moving back to Kisamos, as I have 13.5 kilometers to get there. It is 30th of April 2026, currently 4 p.m. and 21 degrees Celsius in the air, but in the sea I measured earlier today 22, so I need to, but that was on the main Balos beach, but now I will check out also here as well. And I actually plan to jump here into the pool, as it is more than deep than needed, and it's time for Chris to enjoy now a swim at this beautiful nature in Balos. It looks so amazing, the nature and the beach itself, but also this natural pool looks absolutely stunning. So yeah, Greece in Balos, and yeah, it's time for another beach adventure with Chris. So let's then jump into the waters. Let's see. Okay. 2 years ago when I was here, there were huge waves coming from the sea going into the natural pool, and now it's mainly calm sea. Okay, and it's time for now to redo the natural pool beach adventure with Chris again. I need to chase now my water thermometer that's 20, but yes, let's see. I need to swim also for 15 minutes. So ready, set, and go! Amazing. I love it. I love it. Oh, perfect way to end the Balos beach adventures. And for the moment of truth, okay, 22 degrees, so it's same everywhere, even on the main beach, in the shallow water, and here it is 22 degrees, despite satellite measurements saying it is 17.4 degrees. So yeah, it's very nice place if you want to swim in a bit more depth and to escape the crowds of Balos main beach part. And there is also one bridge to pass to the Balos Island from the main beach here, if you don't want to get your feet wet. And there is one plank over there, so walk the plank over. Yeah, it was a nice jump in the sea. I might jump once again later, but yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode from this natural pool, sea pool here in Balos. And yeah, let's have one more view around before I wrap up this vlog from this natural pool. Whew, thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Crete.